Hi everyone, this is Afzal here. So let's watch out some of my live trades today. I was planning to make an entry on UPL from morning itself, but on the fourth candle, so you can see that it just made a huge candle. So there wasn't any kind of pullback on the second candle, so it was a super bullish momentum. So I missed my opportunity. Then the stock came down, which came to my level of support. I was expecting this one to give me a momentum, and it gave a momentum. So what I did, I just made my entry at this particular point and expected a target at a day's high. So that was the thing. So for finally the target has been achieved. So as you can see that it has given me a target of 1%. It took a while. Once the market has given a momentum, then I trailed this thing to cost, but it has given me the profit. It was worth the time. So like even though it took a while, it was from something around. I took the entry something around 11:30, I guess. So yeah, still it is worth it. It was a great, and that gave me a target of 1%. So that will be it on UPL. Another trade is on Asian Paint. So as you can see that it has broken this particular level. So I'm just waiting for the stock to give me a great momentum at this point. It has broken the trend line, so I was waiting for a pullback, but it has broken the support as well. So two or more confidence has been I got it from this point, and my stop loss is really tight, something around 0.4% or something. That was the maximum stop loss, and EMA line is having a supporting my downtrend. Then on 15-minute time frame, the stock is on a downward. So taking these things and all into consideration, I'm just making my entry a short position. Expected target is something around 1 is to 2, something around zero point 0.7 to zero point 0.8 is my target level. So but I'll be looking for any kind of swing lows which is getting resisted, or it is supporting it. So if it is supporting it, then I'll be exiting it, this one little bit early. Let's see what happens on this anyway. So the stock seemed to be reversing. So I was trailing my stop loss slowly by slowly. The reason is, as you can see that the stock is not having a great momentum because the wicks are getting bigger than the body. So instead of getting into loss, what I did, I just trailed my stop loss on just above those candles with a buffer. So what happened was my stop loss just got hit. So the black line was my trail stop loss, and I just made a profit of 0.2%. That's it. So basically I'm out of this trade on Asian Paint, and it didn't give me much of a target. So let's see what happened on the next trade. This is a trade on Axis Bank. So once the candle has given me a pullback, I have shorted this. So the reason for shorting it, so the market is moving up. That's the first case. And second thing, Bank Nifty was making a evening star pattern, which means that it is making a reversal, and it made a pin bar, but the volume didn't support the bullishness. So taking those things into consideration, as an underlying asset, I'm just looking into the Axis Bank right now. So it Axis Bank has made it a double top. First thing. Second thing, it is making a lower high formation, and it couldn't break the day's high. So these are the factors I'm looking into, and it is having a great volume. Bank Nifty is having a drop, so I'm expecting the same drop to happen on Axis Bank. So I have shorted this with a smaller stop loss just above that particular candle line. So anyway, let's see what happens on this Axis Bank today. So great. Axis Bank has given me a 1%. So I have booked like a 50%, like a half of the quantities at this point, because 1% momentum. Because now I am expecting again a great move on this, because it is a huge candle and great volume. Bank Nifty is dropping. So taking these things into consideration, I have booked already half of it because there is a rejection at this point, but I'll be waiting for more profit, like 1.8%, something like that. So let's see. So my trailing stop loss got hit. I thought it is gonna give me further drop, but Bank Nifty picked up, and so basically I just trailed my stop loss because I made it to cost just to be on the safer side. I'm booked half of the quantities, but still I'm not on loss. I'm just still on profit of 1%, but half of the quantities, that's the difference. So I have exited this position on cost to cost, and yeah, that will be on Axis Bank. Just made a 1%, and I was looking for extra profit, but I couldn't ride the trend, so that's it on Axis. So Mahindra, I just made a short position entry on Mahindra. As I said, the black line will be the first level of target, and if it breaks that point, I will be looking for a next level of target. So I will be splitting my trades. Once it reaches the level of the black line, I will be booking half of the quantities. So the reason for this particular trade is it is trading just below the EMA line, and it has broken the trend line, and the retest part couldn't sustain above that previous candle, which clearly gave me an understanding that the market is on a super bearish move. So taking these things into consideration, I have shorted this particular stock at that particular point and expecting the stock to give me a downside momentum. Let's see what happens on Mahindra. So Mahindra, I have booked half of the quantities at this black level of support. I'm expecting further more drop. Anyway, let's see. So my trailing stop loss got it. So the market is kind of volatile today. Whatever, like, it is not catching any kind of trend. It's just giving the target. So you have to be really quick. Just book the profits. And on the second thing, what I can see, in just two candles, it is hitting my trailing stop loss. So I just made like a 0.6% on this one. But still, yeah, I'm just out of this trade. Nothing much to do. Just Mahindra trailing stop loss got it. I have booked like something like more than 0.6% on this once it has given me a drop. So that will be it on Mahindra. I'm just done with Mahindra right now. So let's see what happened on the very next trade. So I have initiated a short position entry on Naukri. So this is a little bit, when I checked this stock, I was little bit late, but still it is fine. So I would have trailed my stop loss if it has given a drop. So I'm just making this entry at this particular point with a stop loss of 0.5%. If I get a target, that would be something around 1%. So the reason for the trade is it is trading just below the EMA line, and it is having super bearish candle. It has a volume. So this was a particular retest part. So based on that and taking those things into consideration, I have just shorted it. So anyway, let's see what happens on Naukri. So on Naukri, my trailing stop loss got it. So it did came to my target, but what happened was, so the momentum wasn't good enough, So it was kind of having a support and it is having a rejection. So what I did, I just exited my position on 0.15 percentage of loss, something around that point. But it did came to my target. But unfortunate, I was expecting it to give me a opposite move. That's why I just exited the position a little bit early, but it is fine. Anyway, this is a loss trade which is like only 0.15%, so that will be it. Anyway, stay tuned for more live videos like this. We'll be posting it on daily basis. You can check it on our YouTube channel, which is Hedge Wealth, and do follow our page so get to know more and more informative videos. Thank you.